Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best foam roller Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is 321 Strong Foam Roller. I've been a runner since I was 13 years old, and I can tell you that after especially long or especially hard runs, the last thing I want to do is roll my muscles over a rock-hard roller. That's why I picked the 321 Strong Foam Roller as the best roller for runners. With a medium-density EVA foam construction, you get a little cushion with your rolling experience, and you won't have to explain to your spouse why they can hear you weeping from the next room over. Like the TriggerPoint grid, the 321 Strong Foam Roller is cut with a specific pattern to replicate the different pressure sensations of a massage therapist's hands, i.e., wide flat areas replicate palms, long thin sections replicate fingers, and individual nubs for fingers. This means that even with a little extra cushion, you can still get a quality deep tissue massage and target those problem areas causing you the most pain. For anyone new to foam rolling, the 321 Strong Foam Roller also comes with an ebook companion guide that can help walk you through effective uses and best practices. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amazon Basics High Density Round Foam Roller. Sometimes it's nice to just keep things simple, and the Amazon Basics High Density Round Foam Roller does exactly that. Made from high-density polypropylene, the Amazon Basics Foam Roller is an affordable, no-frills option for anyone looking to build on their budget home gym or just simply roll out some sore muscles. The Amazon Basics Foam Roller is literally just a cylinder of high-density foam, and when you get right down to it, that's really all you need. The molded edges help maintain the roller's structural integrity, making it unlikely that you'll experience flaking or chipping at the edges. I've used basic model high-density foam rollers like this before, and they're extremely effective on muscles sore from lactic acid buildup. This plain roller is great if you're new to foam rolling or if you're experiencing a lot of muscle pain. If you're in pain, the last thing you want is a roller that's supposed to be ribbed for your pleasure, giving you a deep tissue massage where it's not welcome. Sometimes, a smooth roller is just the smart choice. The Amazon Basics Foam Roller is also useful for playfully swatting your children or spouse when they least expect it. Purchase 2 if you like to sword fight. Number 3. Our third best pick is Chirp Wheel Back Stretcher with foam. I have lower back problems and, judging from a core sample of my friend group, I suspect a lot of people out there do, too. Unfortunately, a lot of us spend most of our working hours plunking into an office chair, building a nice case of carpal tunnel. But what most don't realize until it's too late is that with all the hours of sitting, we aren't doing our backs any favors either. Fortunately, the good people at Chirp Wheels are here to help, and its series of foam rollers are specifically designed to help alleviate back pain, correct posture, and strengthen the muscles located directly along the spine. Most foam rollers on the market today are long, semi-narrow cylinders, which can make it hard to target specific problem areas in the back and are often not tall enough to get good spinal curvature correction. At only 5 inches wide, the Chirp Wheel is designed specifically to run up and down your spine without getting hung up on your shoulder blades or spreading the pressure of your weight over too much surface area. The result is a targeted, high-pressure massage for the muscles right along your spine. The Chirp Wheel comes in 4 different sizes, which can be purchased individually or in varying packs. These different sizes allow you to work on your flexibility in the thoracic and lumbar regions in your back and can even help you restore a proper, healthy spinal curvature. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is TriggerPoint Grid Foam Roller. Regular professional massages can get expensive, and if you're an introvert like me, they're kind of a nightmare anyway. But, good news, there is an alternative. The TriggerPoint Grid Foam Roller was designed to replicate the experience of visiting a professional massage therapist. The EVA foam surface has been shaped into a grid pattern, hence the name, and its varying surfaces and densities are meant to replicate the varying surfaces of a masseur's hand. Wide flat sections replicate a flat palm, long, skinny sections represent fingers, and a series of individual nubs replicate fingertips. The wide range of options in this one foam roller is what makes it a favorite among physical therapists and personal trainers. On a personal note, I bought this foam roller for myself and my wife and have been extremely impressed with its versatility and durability. At 6'2" and 210 pounds, I'm by no means a small person, and I was initially worried about a product with a hollow core collapsing under my weight. After extensive use, I can happily report that I've found no signs of weakness in the product and I no longer have concerns about the product's structural integrity. I use TriggerPoint Grid on a daily basis to work out the kinks in my lower back, hip flexors, and hamstrings. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is TigerTail 18 inches Massage Stick Portable Roller. If you're not the type of person who likes to get down on the ground and roll around, or maybe you're so sore you're worried you might not be able to get back up, the TigerTail Massage Stick might be the best option for you. Unlike traditional foam rollers, the TigerTail is a handheld roller, meaning that you apply all the pressure with your own strength, instead of using your body weight to apply pressure on the ground. The TigerTail comes in 3 lengths, 11, 18, and 22 inches, and is essentially a long dowel with thermoplastic handles on each end and a medical-grade foam covering in the center. To use the TigerTail, you simply grip both handles and apply firm pressure to sore muscles. The TigerTail's main purpose is to help you work out tricky muscle knots that can often be the cause of prolonged stiffness and muscle pain. With its small circumference, the TigerTail is another great option if you're in the market for a portable foam roller, and is substantially cheaper than larger collapsible options, though it may be more work to get similar results. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.